Today we will be testing an indicator that puts a new twist on an old indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an indicator puts a new twist on an old indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 507 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an indicator. It's just a single indicator, and it puts a new twist on an old and familiar indicator. Now, the source video says this RSI gives buy and sell signals. And so, of course, the claim made by the video is absolutely correct. It does give buy and sell signals, or at least give symbols that can be interpreted as buy and sell signals. And so, yeah, I mean, as far as the source video goes, obviously that is pretty accurate. Nothing too false there. And the indicator we have on screen is the Parabolic RSI. And it's going to be this one right here by Chart Prime. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we are going to leave all the settings on the default. No need to change anything. And as the name implies, basically they have meshed together the Parabolic SAR and the RSI. And that has allowed them to produce signals for the RSI. And so you can see that we have on screen kind of these tan diamonds here, and these ones are a little bit harder to see with kind of these bluish colored diamonds here. Now there are two sets of diamonds, and so anytime we have a large diamond, that one is going to be more important, kind of more of a valid signal. And when it is tan, that's going to be a signal to enter into a long position. And when the diamond is blue and large, it's going to be a signal to then enter into a short position. Now, before we take a look at a long trade setup, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He's an amazing and very profitable futures trader. Not only is he a profitable futures trader, but he's also an excellent teacher that is helping everybody within his Discord become just as profitable as he is, as he's walking them through every single day, taking the trades with them side by side in real time, telling them exactly when they are entering, or when he is entering and when he is exiting his trades, allowing them to become, like I say, just as profitable as he is. And there is a 5-day free trial to join his Discord. You can find a link down below in the description. If you use that link, you will also get access to not only his Discord, but for the same price, you will also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord and all the advantages that come with that, as well as our free trial to our indicators. So it's an extremely great value, and like I said, link down below in the description. Alright, so for a long trade setup, as I said, we are looking for a tan colored, or maybe peach colored, however you want to say, the lighter colored diamond like this here. And that appears one bar into the future. So you have to advance one bar and that will appear, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'd put our trade here, put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting us right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Now, as you can see, it does really strange things to the bar replay, where it just kind of holds the price in place and doesn't advance the screen as the bar replay takes place. But nonetheless, you can see here that we kind of run into consolidation, then we make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, as I said, we were looking for this in a navy blue colored diamond here, the larger one, not the small one like this one here. And we are one bar into the future again, that way this one displays, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'd put our trade here, put our stop just right above this pivot area, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, you can see, again, a strange bar replay, but nonetheless we make this nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 36% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. If we were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, the total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, the total loss would have been $12,800, which means that the total profit and loss would have been negative $2,000. So I guess on its own, as a standalone indicator, didn't do too great, but I imagine layered onto a few other indicators as a confirmation would probably do rather well. So I definitely don't think it's a horrible indicator, but like I said, as far as just a standalone kind of strategy, I wouldn't advise using it that way. Now, during the same period of time, we did 47 trades with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had a 82% win rate, and the total gain would have been right at $23,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing, and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.